Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open old Task Manager in Windows 11 PC. If you still don't like the new design of Task Manager, you can open the classic Task Manager on your Windows 11 PC. To open classic Task Manager, you can use Run dialog box, command prompt, PowerShell or terminal app, and then you need to use the command task mgr space hyphen d. For instance, I will first use Run dialog box and then show you how to open Classic Task Manager. For this, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. This will open Run dialog box. Here you need to type this one command task mgr space hyphen d. I will put this one command in this video description also. After typing this one command, click on this one OK button. This will open Classic Task Manager on your Windows 11 PC, and in case you want to open it with command prompt, again click on this one start button, type cmd in the search results, click on this one command prompt entry. Now use the same command task mgr space hyphen d and then press enter on the keyboard. This will open Classic Task Manager on your Windows 11 PC.